Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. I'm sorry I haven't had many new videos, well any actually last week besides the new releases, but it's been so crazy with everything going on and last week's releases was insane, so thank you guys so much. You guys loved it. I actually brought myself home so much more of the matte bronze foil. It is so dang pretty, but let's go ahead into this week's new releases. I think you guys are going to love these. There are 4 collections as well as a foil bundle, some more doodles, and then also some foil releases this week. So let's go ahead and go through the foil first. So I do have 3 different foil releases for this week. The first one being a new magical quote sheet. This one does come in the 4 foils, so gold, silver, and rose, and you have some quotes here. You have, "That's the real trouble with the world, too many people grow up. If you can dream it, you can do it. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing, and then it's kind of fun to do the impossible." So again, in all 4 foils there. And then we also have some magical doodle foil icons. So they are in both the large and the small, and they are very similar to the Once More with Love sizing. So I'll go ahead and show you guys them in silver if you guys want to pause it to see these, but also you'll be able to tell kind of on the listing photo what everything is, but they are just foiled versions of some of the magical doodles. So these are perfect for fancy label, 3rd boxes and such, and then these are perfect for little things, or if you want to do something a little bit smaller, maybe in a B6 monthly or something like that. And these come in all 5 foils, so including sparkly hollow as well, and that is what they look like. So perfect, especially paired with the new ride scripts. The new ones became the little thing size ones. Perfection. So love these. They will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We do have some doodles this week. This is kind of the tail end of the magical doodles, and we're going to move in to other doodles. I have so many ready for you guys. We probably will round back to some more magical doodles, you know, in many months, but this is kind of what the last ones are for now, and then we're moving in. I think actually some towards the end are non-magical. So you do have the magic Polaroid, the magic tea, the magic ears. These are like the poison ears, super cute. The cinnamon rolls, the little buggy, so cute. The hoodie, the castle in a heart shape, the like fast pass or like entrance. And then you have just some regular painting ones. These ones were on the Dream freebie. And then also this here is the like kind of like junk food. So you have chips and then a like pop or soda. Super cute. So those are the doodles for this week. And like I said, this is the tail end of the magical ones. And now we're going to be moving into non-magical doodles for weeks to come, which I'm very excited to show you guys what I have planned. Then let's go into the foil bundle for this week, which is a really gorgeous gold hollow. I love the like gold, silver, hollow foil bundles because I feel like they go with so much, and it works for like so many different kits. And this one is so pretty, the gold hollow. Again, I feel like this could go with so many different kits. I love it. So this is the matte add-on, and then this is the foil bundle. It is in the star format, so you get 2 of this page here with the full boxes and the headers, 2 of this page here with the bougie boxes, these scripts and the icons. I love the gold hollow. It's so pretty. I don't think we've done a gold hollow yet. And then you have the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi. And I love the new star format. I just think it's so pretty. Again, I think this one will go with so many different kits, just kind of spice things up. And again, with the gold hollow. Let's go into the kits for this week. So I do have, like I said, 4 kits for this week. We have 1 reformat and then 3 new kits. I did sneak on Instagram that I have a bunch of kits that we have reformatted and are like ready to go to release. But I only like really releasing 3 to 4 kits a week, just so that with restocks and things, production is under control. You guys get your stuff in a timely manner. So whenever it comes to reformats, because they're usually not time sensitive, if they are, I do take that into consideration. I kind of see like what art comes out that's new, like the 3 kits after this. And then I will, you know, if there is only like 2, I'll add an extra one in or something like that. And I kind of release them slowly. So we're going to be releasing the Corella Kit this week. This is a reformat and it's exclusive art. This came out, I think, like a year or two ago, and the new movie is coming out. So a lot of you guys wanted this reformatted. So you have like a double scene here, and I just love the colors of this. This would look really pretty with a sparkly red foil or just a regular red foil. And I know we have some of those in shop currently, or a black foil will be really pretty as well. I'm just really in love with this, and I love, and I've said this before, I love kits where it's like mostly like all one color. So this is like black and white with then the red, or you know, if a kit's all pink. I just think it's so fun, especially when you pair it with the foil. I also think even just silver foil with this would be really awesome. So those are the full boxes, and then you have the extra full boxes on the side here, and then your patterns throughout. And I just think this kit is just so dang pretty, especially with the red in here. It's so cute. So very excited about this, excited to bring it back. And then you have the like Dalmatian abstract print on the bottom with the black with clear script freebie. And then I will show you guys the mini kit of this one. So let's go ahead and show you guys that. All of these do come in a mini kit as well. All of the kits that are coming Wednesday. I'm also should be doing the mystery reveal soon too. I'm really excited about this month. Your full boxes, the deco, the glitter, the mini kit page, oopsies, and then the bottom washi with the same clear with black script freebie. So again, that is Corella. It is a reformat from a kit that we released previously. Show you guys the add-on options for that as well. You do have the 15mm strip, as well as the label sampler. Let's go into the 3 kits for this week. So these are all new art, and let me show you guys. So this one is called Flora. Super pretty, very pretty summer bright colors with the marble mix throughout. You could totally pair this with marble multicolor, and I think this would look really pretty with like a mint or a pink foil, or even like purple to bring out this purple. There is a freebie with both the ultimate and the mini that has the scene here in the different skin tone options. So this is just a really pretty, like I said, floral kit. Definitely in any time, but feeling like, you know, spring summer vibes in here. And I love these colors. The extra boxes here, the little puppy, and then the little like moped or scooter glitter, patterned, solid, and then the bottom washi is a floral, which is super pretty. Like I said, all of these kits this week come in ultimate and mini. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options for this kit. So you do have the 15mm strip. There's also the label sampler, and then there's also the fashion option if you want to add that on as well. So that is Flora. I think it's a super pretty kit for, you know, a spring summer transition or just anytime for the summer. Let's go into the next one, which is Cat Cafe, which is super cute cat art, and I just think it turned out so cute. When I saw this art, I knew I needed to use it. Again, the freebie is the full box here and the other skin tone options. So you do have a bunch of cat items, and I love that the cats are kind of like the fashion in the fashion area, and I love this cat. This is like me if I was a cat. Just so cute, a little grump, little fluffy, so adorable, and I'm just obsessed with this. I honestly don't really like cats that much. I don't like mind them, but I don't love cats. But this is a super cute kit, super cute. So then you have the extra full boxes over here, which I just love. This is probably actually my favorite like planner box with the little cat paws stretching in and the little like cat coffee. Love that. And I love these colors. They're really pretty. Definitely anytime, not too like, you know, bright or too like muted. They're just really pretty. And then the bottom washi there. Again, this also does come in a mini kit, and the mini kit does have the same freebie there. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you do have the 15mm strip. You do also have the label sampler, and then you do also have the fashion option as well, which just how cute are they? With the kitties, so cute. I love them. So that is Cat Cafe. And last but not least, I love the color like palette of this kit. It is so pretty. This is Sunrise Beach, and oh my goodness, look at it. I love these colors. It's so pretty. I think this would look so nice with lavender hollow, regular hollow, sparkly hollow, a blue foil, or purple would be really pretty. But I'm like really leaning towards the lavender hollow on this one, which we do have lavender hollow in quite a few different like formats, like star and things like that in the shop. Love this. I love the fashion options here. The freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is the double box like beach house scene, which I just thought was so pretty, too cute not to use. And I'm just obsessed with this kit. I just think the colors are like it. So pretty. I love this little fashion flat lay here. And then this is kind of just where I want to be. I just think it's just such a pretty kit with these colors, and I love the orange and the yellow. I feel like you don't see a lot of orange and yellow in kits, and I just think that kind of with it being kind of like sunset vibes with the purple, it totally works with pulling in the pink. Oh, so pretty. And then the bottom washi is just kind of like a beach horizon scene, which I just honestly love with all of the different colors in the sky. It's just so pretty and just kind of like where I want to be, you know, like I just want to be, you know, sunrise at the beach. That's kind of my goals. Then this has add-ons of 15mm strip, the label sampler. I just really love these colors together, and then also the fashion option as well. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like all of the releases for this week. I have so many things planned. Like I showed you guys on Instagram, I did a little kind of like sneak of all of the kits that I have reformatted. My goal is personally to reformat one kit a week, and then kind of just have like an arsenal of things to release for you guys, because I have like so much exclusive art from over, you know, the past 7 years to go through and, you know, see what you guys want. I asked you guys on Facebook what kits you wanted to see reformatted, and I've been just going through the list and just checking them all off and making sure I get everything. So like I said, we do have the 4 kits this week, one of them being a reformat, but more reformats to come. I'm hoping to do, like I said, one a week at least, and if we have room, more. We do have the gold hollow star foil bundle with the matte add-on, and then there is the 10 new doodles, and then the 3 new foil sheets for this week. So again, I hope that you guys love this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!